Are you tired of spending countless hours creating architectural models from scratch? Do you wish there was a shortcut to get your project started? Well, look no further than Civilmix Complete Revit Architectural Model. Our model includes all the detailed floor plans, elevation views, and sections you need to get your project started. Plus, we've included complete interior design and foundation design to make your job even easier. This is a 100% completed real project, only using Revit. To download this incredible resource, all you need to do is become a Civilmix Patreon. By becoming a Patreon, you'll not only get access to this amazing template, but you'll also be supporting our work to make architecture more accessible to everyone. So what are you waiting for? Download Civilmix Complete Revit Architectural Model today and get your project started on the right foot. Civilmix, making architecture easy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more architecture resources and tutorials. Share this video with your friends and colleagues, and give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.